Welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough today on our brand new 33 Outrage. This boat's powered with twin 300 Verados. These are the new style Mercury's V8 naturally aspirated. One of the cool things about these new engines is you can check the oil right here on the top of the cowling. Makes it really easy. This boat has a great layout for fishing and entertaining. Very nice aft bench seat here with another aft facing style seat here as well. This seat has a live well underneath of it, and you also have a live well on the transom, so plenty of room for all your bait. You can also use them as coolers. The backrest pops up here. There's a cutting board that will fit right here. Moving to the helm, twin Ray Marine screens. Vessel view, which is connected to the Mercury engines. Digital throttle and shift. And it's a joystick boat. So this is going to have your autopilot, auto heading, sky hook, and docking feature built right in. Great size head area with VacuFlush. Massive bow with a sun lounge. And lots of storage underneath. So if you'd like more information about this boat or to see it in person, please give us a call, 239-481-8200. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.